me share my screen. Okay, can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
All right, all right. So now we're going to look into using your trading view. Then the website is tradingview.com. This is it here. I have it here already, but I'm going to type it for everyone to see. Tradingview.com. So this is the platform. Once you join the platform, the first thing you want to do is to register. All right. For my students who are here, make sure you listen attentively. The first thing you want to do is to register and open an account with TradingView. Why do you need to open an account? You need to open an account so that you can use your TradingView both on your PC and synchronize it with your TradingView app on your phone. And what's the catch here? The catch is analysis on TradingView. Please, for everyone who has just joined, make sure your mic is mute. If you do not mute your mic and I find out that the noise is coming from your angle, I would remove you automatically from the training. Please make sure you mute your mics. Thank you. So if you open an account with TradingView and log it in on your TradingView app on your phone, whenever you make analysis in your PC charts, it will automatically reflect on your phone. It's not like MT5 that when you make analysis on your MT5 app a PC, you will have to go to your phone and start making another analysis on your phone again. TradingView is automatically, once you have made your analysis on your laptop, it will automatically be on your phone as long as you have opened the account and logged in on your phone. So that's the special thing about TradingView. So now once you come into tradingview.com, you want to go to charts. Okay, take note, you cannot load your deriv.com broker in TradingView. TradingView does not accept all those brokers. They accept some top awarded brokers that are so expensive to join anyway. So where we want to focus now is on charts. We want to use their charts.
Excuse me, Tim.
Yeah.
It's a bit low. I don't know if you could turn the volume or something.
Okay, let me check. Can you hear me well?
Much, much better.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right, so back to TradingView. Now, if you join the TradingView, you want to go straight to charts. Once you enter the charts, this is what you will see. Then the first thing you want to do, now you take notes, you can only use tradingview.com for analysis on currency pairs. Okay, for analysis on currency pairs, you can only use tradingview.com for analysis on currency pairs. If you want to use TradingView for analysis on volatility, boom and crash, and all other synthetic, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do that. And after the training, I'm going to drop a link for doing that. Okay, so let us get used to the platform first. Now, once you join the TradingView platform, the first thing you want to learn is how to add currencies. Okay, how to add currencies to the charts. So if you want to add currencies to the chart, you come to the right corner. Right, you come over to the right corner and then click on the plus icon here. Then you want to go straight to forex. Okay, not futures, not crypto or any other one. Okay, not index. You want to go straight to forex. When you go to Forex, you want to search for whatever currency pair you are looking for. You can see them here. All right. These are some of those top brokers, except FXCM and their currency pairs. So you can add whichever one, anyone you want to add at over here. All you do is click on the plus icon. So this is GBP chef. I'll add it by clicking there once. Whichever one you want to add, you just click once, okay, and it will automatically be here for you. Okay, so you can always maybe when you have made analysis on any particular one you have made analysis on, you can change the badge to a color you might want, maybe red. Okay, uh take note that this is a free this trading view right now, this one is a free one to use. If you want to change color to something else, that will tell you to make payments for that. Okay, so you have to make payments for more futures on the trading view platform, but now we're using the free future. So that is for adding currency pairs. Then now you want to take note, what are these tools for? Now here we have the arrow, we have eraser to clean up whatever mess that you must have done in the chart. As you have the eraser, anywhere you click, it deletes whatever you have put in the charts. Okay, this is it, deleting whatever you have put in the chart automatically. Then you want to turn it, change it back to arrow. You can change it to dots, whichever one you want, or the cross. This is the crossbar. Okay, so you want to always leave it on arrow. Then here we have the trend lines. Okay, vertical line, horizontal lines, whatever line you want. Whichever one you click on, each star is to add it to your favorite. Anyone you add to your favorite will automatically come over to this bar here. All right, you see it in this bar. So in that case, you do not need to go back to this place next time to get whatever you want. All you need to do is to get it from this bar. So let me add something to the bar right now. Let me say info line. I'll click on the star, and then you get to see that info line has been added here. Okay, so that is how to add any tool to your favorite bar. So you can move this bar anywhere you want. All right, you can move it to any direction you want. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, a lot of people are still joining in. So this is for trend lines and all the lines possible that you can think about. So many lines that you can get on MT5. Then this is where you get some other tools and extensions like Fibonacci and all of them. Okay, these are where you get some other powerful tools you can use for your analysis that MT5 can't give you. That's one interesting thing about the trading view platform. This is where you get your brush highlighter, your rectangle shape. You can see I have it on my favorites, and you can see them here. So this is where you get some drawing curve, you see things like this for making some of your analysis and all the rest. Okay, so this is your toolbar to get whatever you want. This one is your ruler. You want to measure, maybe from here you want to measure how many pips, how many candlesticks. Okay, you can see 93 bars. That's to tell you 93 candlesticks from here to here. So is your ruler, you use it to make measurements. All right, let me now show you one interesting thing about this trading view. You've over here you have what we call not here, let me see it here. I want to show you guys something interesting that you can always use it to count. Okay, now here you have long position, short position. Now you might be wondering, what is it used for? I will bring it over here because I have it in my favorite already. I use it all the time. You can use it to calculate how many, your risk to reward ratio. You can always use it to calculate. Let's say for instance you want to take a trade at this junction. Let's say you want to take a trade from here. You're expecting to sell, right? You want to make sure that once there's a breakout and you want to take your sell from here, so you want to make sure you calculate if I take my sell from here, how many pips am I targeting? Okay, so this is what you want to do. You want to put it like this: risking little to gain more. So you can see another interesting thing about the trading view. You can take it up, you can take it down to view properly. You can zoom it out. Okay, so now I'm risking little, that's the red side, and this is the green side. I'm aiming for much. So you can always see the calculations here. You can see your risk to reward ratio and everything that you want to see. So in this case, you know how much you're targeting for. You just can leave it like this and continue with what you are doing. Whenever you notice the breakout that gives you an edge to take your trade, you can then take your trade with your phone. All right, but the fact is, you have made your analysis and you have calculated how many pips you want. You can always reset this thing by right clicking and go to settings. Let me bring it out again. You hold it, you right click on it, you go to settings. When you go over to settings, you want to account size. You can put how much account size you have. Let's say you have a $200, and then you want to risk just 2% of your account. Okay, like I always advise traders to never to risk more than 2% of the account. Okay, so you want to risk 2% of your account. Entry, you want to know where you're taking your entry from. Like I told you, maybe you have finished your analysis and you feel this is where you want to take your entry from. So your entry point, you put it here. Then your entry point, you put it here. The price is going to bring it out automatically from your entry points. Okay, then the six candlesticks and price and all of them. Then once you put all those things, you want to do what? Click OK. So this is going to help you calculate automatically whenever you set it. Okay, whenever you set it, this is going to help you calculate your pips and how much you are risking and how much you are aiming to get. So that's one thing about it. So this one is called the short position, right? Why we also have the long position. This is still a short position. Let me delete this one. Remove whatever you want to remove. You just click on it and right click on it and you click remove. This is the short position. Now the short position, you get to notice the short position, the green one is up and the red one is down, right? So that's your risk and this is your reward. So that's the beautiful thing about it. Let's continue from where we stopped. Okay, so another thing is let's see. Now sometimes you might just feel like you want to look into
I have a question before you move.
all right, your question please.
Short position is used for sell and the long is used for when you're buying.
Yeah, long position is for buying and short position is for sell.
Okay, thank you.
For the last time traders, if you join the training, turn off your mic. If I catch anybody's mic on disturbing the training, I will remove you immediately from that training. So let us write on. So here we have our zoom in and zoom out. This is if you want to look at look at a particular candlestick, you can, or a particular area of the chart, you can just do something like this and it zooms out. Okay, you do something like this. You click on it again to zoom properly. You want to zoom to see what you want to see. When you're done looking at what you want to look at, you want to click here and it goes back down to normal. Okay, that's another beautiful tool there. Okay, another thing is when you have made your analysis, like you have brought out all your charts, your trend lines and everything, blah blah blah. Okay, you've done everything you want to do, then you don't want anything to spoil your analysis. Okay, sorry, I need to admit some people into the chat group. Then you do not want anything to spoil your analysis. What you want to do is to lock your analysis. When you want to lock, you lock here. um if you join the webinar, please turn off your mic. Lock all drawing tools. This is for lock all drawing tools. Once you click here, everything locks. You can see now I cannot move any of these tools again. I can't move any of them. They are stagnant. Okay, that is, you don't want anything to move any of your drawing tools. So once you are done, you can unlock it and then you can move your tools. Okay, that's another beautiful thing there. Then here you want to change your time frame. Here you want to change your time frame. You can see we have the 1 minute time frame, 45-minute time frame, 1 hour. You have so many time frames. You even have 1 second time frame. But since you're on the free you're on the free one year, you can't use the 1 second time frame or 30-second time frame unless you join the premium package of it. Okay, so you can only use 1 minute time frame downward. So what else do I need to show you guys before we go over to binary? Okay, here you have your candlestick, different candlesticks that you want to use. You can see this kind of a candlestick, right? Let me see if I can just clear off the chart and the mess.
Hello, team. No
Yeah.
volume.
No volume.
Hello, team.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Traders, can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay, okay,
Yes, I can
okay,
hear you.
please. All right. Turn off your mics, please. Turn off your mics. Thank you. So let's ride on.
Please, I have a question before you proceed.
All right.
Sorry, I just joined the
It's
link.
being recorded. It's being recorded. It's being recorded. You watch the record later, trader. There's no time, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, it's being recorded. I will post the video after this training. So let us ride on. These are different kind of candlesticks that you might want to use. You have this one to be area. Nobody uses this again. It was back in the days. So what we know how to use best is candlestick. All right. So here is where you want to compare or add symbols. Okay, you want to compare or add symbols, but that's not so relevant for now. Here is for indicators. You want to add up indicators. So now here you have so many indicators, so many indicators that you cannot find in MT5 unless you maybe external indicators you download and put in your MT5. But here you see so many indicators. You also have some indicators that have strategies on them. All right, so whatever indicator you want, all you just do is to click on it. This is auto Fibonacci extension. Let's say we're looking for, you can also search here by clicking it and then you search for, let's say, moving average. These are the moving averages, moving average cross, moving average two line cross. So many different indicators that you don't even expect. Let's say I'll click on this and then let's go back and add it. Create your first script now. Built in. Okay. Let's say moving average cross. Okay, some of the indicators they also won't let you use it unless you also join the premium. Let me touch this one. The same thing. Okay, so on if you join the premium, you'll be able to you gain access to use quite some of their indicators, but there are so many other ones that you can use which you can find in MT5. Okay, so a lot of them here. So here is for your indicators here. Then what else? What else? Here is to create alerts. Like when you have made your analysis, okay, and then you expect price to get to a certain level where you want to take your buy or your sell, you can use here to create alerts of when you want to be notified. Okay, you could be notified by your email or a notify on the app, the trading view app. Okay, whichever way, or you want something to pop up on the screen like this to tell you it's time to buy or sell. So this is for setting your alarm. So you want to put the currency pair you want to trade on, you want to put the cross up, what however you want the alarm to display once it's time. So what else? Let me see. Okay, after making your analysis, you can use here to take screenshot of your analysis. You can use here for a bold screen. Okay, you see my screen right now is bold. Okay, so you have a full screen. You can use your mouse roller, you roll in to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, zoom out, move it to wherever you want it to, and zoom in to the last. You can get a very thin zoom, more than MT5. Okay, so I'll bring it back to where we were. If you want to go back to the normal chart, you just take your cursor up and click here. All right, so now let us talk about analyzing volatility, boom and crash in with trading view. Okay, because you can't find that here. Now what you want to do, if you want to analyze volatility on trading view, you want to go to binary.com. Now, when you go to binary.com, there's no need to log in. All you need to do is to go to platforms. When you go to platform, you scroll down and then you see trading view somewhere. Here, you see trading view here. You click try trading view. Now trading view is going to open under binary, and there you can see volatility 25. Okay, if you want to see all the volatilities, what you do is you click here and delete it all. Once you delete it all, everything will come out. You can see them here. Boom, crash, bear market index, volatility 75, 1s, and all of them. You see them here. So whichever one you click is going to come out. So let's look into boom 1000. Here you have boom 1000. All right, is under the daily time frame. You can take it to your 1 minute time frame, as a lot of people love trading the 1 minute time frame. So you can see this is you using trading view for boom and crash. But now here is the difference. Here you cannot use trading view for volatilities on your trading view app. Okay, because on this one now you do not have to create any account on trading view, and that is because you have gotten it directly from binary.com. Okay, unlike the one for currency pairs that you can create an account, and then if you make your analysis here, you see it on your app. If you do that with trading view for volatilities that we have gotten from binary, you're not going to see it on your app, because this is not directly from trading view. This is coming from binary. Okay, so the only good thing about this is use the trading view to analyze the boom and crash, but you cannot copy it to have it on your phone like for currency pairs. Okay, so right now I want you guys to make sure you, after the training, you go straight and download the trading view app on App Store or Play Store, open an account, and then try it out. So make an analysis on the chart here, and then see how it's going to display in your phone. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you have opened the binary.com and then you've gotten into TradingView with binary, you don't want to always come to binary.com and go down to TradingView before you can get here. So what you do is, you go, once you have opened this chart, you go straight to the three dots on the top right corner of your system, of your on your browser. Click on it and go straight to more tools. When you go to more tools, you want to go to create shortcuts. Okay, once you have created shortcuts, you would see trading view. This trading view for binary would come on your, it will either save on your desktop, depending on where you want to save it. Okay, so at any time you can always click on it and it will take you straight automatically to this chart, instead of you going to binary.com before you enter trading view. You go here, go to more tools, create shortcuts. Okay, this is the shortcuts. You can click on it and say open as a window. All right, you say open as a window, so that once you click on it, it would open here automatically as a, instead of opening your browser, it will open as a window. So let us try it and see how it works. I'm gonna close this right now. Close this right now. I'll close this right now. Screen sharing stopped. I know. Share new screen. I want to share my screen. Okay, everybody can see my screen, right?
Yes.
So now you see the trading view for binary here. Now once I click on it, it's gonna take me automatically to my trading view for binary here. Okay, and it's not going to open my browser. You can see my browser is still closed. It's just going to open it like I see is the app for your PC. And you want to also make sure you do the same thing that we did for this binary. You want to do the same thing for the main trading view for currency pairs, and this is it here. You can see I have it here. Where is it here again? Okay, this is it here. So whenever I click on it, it will take me straight to the trading view for currency pairs. Okay, so that's exactly how to create a shortcut. And you can see I have it here for currency pairs, and I have it here for boom and crash, volatilities, and all of them. So that's exactly how to use the trading view for your analysis. All right, so we're gonna close this section right now and open another, so that I can take a few questions before we close the meeting for tonight. So everybody, just go off right now and join back with the same link you used in joining this meeting. Join back again, because Zoom is about to cut me off right now. So let me close this meeting for now. Stop end meeting. Everybody, just go straight to the general channel and click the link and join again immediately.